How long have you guys been together?
For more than 5 years.
More than 5 years. Okay, when last did you see him?
Yesterday, maybe it was around 7 o'clock late.
Okay. Is he light skin or dark skin?
Light skin.
Okay, is he tall or short?
Not tall, not short, just
No, umuntu wakho.
umuntu wami unormal akakho mde akakho mfishane
Okay. Ndiyamthanda.
kakhulu.
And Nick, what is his name?
What is that?
What is your partner's name?
Oh, my partner's name is Jake.
Ubani?
Jake.
Jake.
Hey wena le hlokonolo wena. Kganti ke eng wena? Ke mang dit? Eh? Hey wanyela man. Kganti ke o reng? Ha o hle man. A re bua nnete.
Ore motho wa hae o light.
No, o re ke yellow bone no. Emanyane ska bua ke a bua. Kganti ke eng? O re ke yellow bone. Wait.
Ore nana le yena yesterday.
Yesterday. Uskari askis. Uskari ne u fethu bua no. Uskari askis. Uskari telecha. O re ke yellow bone.
And you are tall.
O re o nqine maobane. O nqine maobane ka 7. So yesterday ha ke dlala bolo le Machita wena u busy le Dix.